Good morning, students. In our previous video, we had seen rounding of numbers to the nearest tens. Today, again, we are going to repeat rounding of numbers to the nearest tens. And then we will do in the next number, we see that the digit in the ones place is 5. Then we have another rule. If the digit in the ones place is 5 or more than 5, we write 0 in the ones place and add 1 to the digit in the tens place. We add 1 to the digit in the tens place. Here 7 plus 1 becomes 8. 7 plus 1 becomes 8 and the 100th digit we will write as it is. And the digit in the hundreds place we will write as it is. So on rounding of 375 to nearest tens, we get 380. Now let us take the next number, 1737. 1737. Here in ones place we have 7, which is again more than 5. यहाँ वंस प्लेस पे 7 है और 7 5 से ज़्यादा है। तो हम क्या करेंगे, 7 की जगह यहाँ पे हम 0 लिख देंगे और 10th प्लेस पे जो डिजिट है उसमें +1 करेंगे। 10th प्लेस पे जो डिजिट है उसमें +1 करेंगे। तो यहाँ 3 + 1 4 हो जाएगा। कितना हो जाएगा? 4 हो जाएगा। और बाकी के नंबर हम ऐसे ही लिख देंगे। तो इट बिकम्स 1740। 1740. So on rounding of 1737, we get 1740. Similarly, in the last number here, we have 6. And 6 is more than 5. 6 is more than 5. So we write 0 in place of 6 and add 1 to the digit in the 10th place. Add 1 to the digit in the 10th place. So 7 plus 1 becomes 8. And the rest of the numbers we write as it is. 8, 5, 3. So it becomes 35,880. It becomes 35,880. So on rounding of 35,876 to the nearest tens, we get 35,880. So I hope you have understood how to round off numbers to the nearest tens. Now let us go and learn how to round off numbers to the nearest hundreds. How to round off numbers to the nearest hundreds. To round off numbers to the nearest tens, we were seeing the digits in the ones place. But now, rounding off numbers to nearest hundred, we will see the digits in the tens place. We will see the digits in the tens place. Now let us see here. Here in the tens place, in the number 933, we have 3 in the tens place. In the next number, in the tens place, we have 2. In the next number, in the tens place, we have 5. In the next number, in the tens place, we have 8. In the next number, in the tens place, we have 6. So here in the first number, in the tens place, we have 3, which is less than 5. Which is less than 5. So 3 is less than 5. So what we do is we write 0 in place of that number digit in the tens place and 0 in place of digit in the ones place. In both the places we write zeros, and then the next digit in the hundreds place we place as it is, because the digit in the tens place is less than 5. So here 9,333 on rounding off to nearest hundreds becomes 900. In the next number 1125. 1125. Here again we have a number in the digit in the tens place which is less than 5. The digit in the tens place in this number is also less than 5. It is 2. So in place of 2 in the tens place we place 0. In place of 5 in the ones place we place again 0. And then the rest of the numbers we write them as it is. So it becomes 1100. So 1125 on rounding off to nearest hundred becomes 1100. Next number, we see we have 8859. 8859. Here again we see that the number here or the digit here in the tens place is 5. The digit in the tens place is 5. So in place of the digit in the ones place we place 0. In place of the digit in the tens place we place 0. And because the tens digit is 5 and or more than 5, we add 1 in the hundreds place. We add 1 in the hundreds place here. So 8 plus 1 becomes 9 in the hundreds place, and the other digit we place as it is. So it becomes 8900. So the number 8859 on rounding off to nearest hundreds becomes 8900. 8900. Next number again we see we have here 15,782. 15,782. Here in the tens place we have digit 8. We have digit 8, which is again more than 5. So what we do is we place 2 zeros in one in tens place and one in ones place and add 1 to the hundreds place. Add 1 to the hundreds place. So 7 plus 1 becomes 8. 7 plus 1 becomes 8, and the rest of the digits we write as it is. So it becomes 15,800. So it becomes 15,800. So it becomes 15,800. In the next number 24,364. Again 6 is more than 5. So we place 0 in the tens place, place 0 in the ones place, add 1 in the hundreds place. With 3 plus 1 becomes 4, and we place the other two digits as they are. So it becomes 24,400. So rounding off 24,364 to the nearest hundred becomes 24,400. So I hope you have understood rounding off numbers to nearest tens and rounding off numbers to nearest hundreds. Thank you. Practice at home and do the exercise given to you in your copy. Thank you.